What do an Academy Award winning actor, an Emmy winning producer, a championship athlete, a multi-Grammy musician, a multi-billionaire tech founder all have in common? They all chose me as their realtor. And it's not because I sold the most homes in their neighborhood. It's because I bring the same strategy, precision, and results to selling homes that they bring to their own careers. That's what sets me and my team apart. Behind me is the Payam Ghafouri team at Compass, one of the most powerful forces in real estate. We've closed nearly $250 million in sales, marketed and sold properties up to $37 million, and worked with everyone from Hollywood A-listers to Forbes cover CEOs. Compass itself is the #1 brokerage in America. Over $231 billion in sales volume last year alone, across 72 markets and 300 offices. When you list with us, your property doesn't just hit the MLS, it hits the global stage. Now, here's where we really stand out. Most agents snap a few photos and hope for the best. We do the opposite. We start with preparation that's ROI driven. Through Compass Concierge, we can front up to $50,000 for improvements, fresh paint, landscaping, staging, at 0% interest. You don't pay a dime until closing, but your home sells faster, for more, and with less stress. That's not just nice to have, that's money in your pocket. Then comes presentation. Buyers today don't shop with their feet first, they shop with their eyes. That's why we bring in Hollywood caliber photography, cinematic video, 3D tours, and drone footage. We don't just sell the house, we sell the lifestyle that goes with it. When buyers scroll through listings, your home doesn't blend in. It stops them in their tracks. Because if they can picture themselves living there, we're halfway to an offer. As one of my clients in Hollywood Hills put it, Tom helped us sell very quickly for a great price and handled every stressful negotiation with calm precision. Another seller wrote, "Thanks to Tom, we received a full price offer within 4 days of listing." That's not by chance. That's the product of deliberate presentation and strategy. Now let's talk about pricing. We don't just throw a number out there. We use live market data, AI-driven analytics, and my private network of top agents to test pricing before we ever hit the MLS. That means we validate with real buyers, fine-tune the strategy, and launch at exactly the right number to create urgency. Homes marketed this way sell 20% faster for at least 3% more, and with fewer price drops. That's the difference between good enough and maximizing your equity. Finally, there's marketing. Most agents list your home and wait. We do the opposite. We actively market. We leverage social media and digital ads to target the exact buyers looking for homes like yours. We prospect the neighborhood directly because neighbors often know friends and family looking to buy nearby. We personally reach out to the busiest buyer agents in the area to make sure your home is top of mind for their clients. And our open houses, they're not cookie cutter. We create buzzworthy experiences with food trucks, live music, even red carpet style events that make buyers feel like they're walking into something special. We don't just market your property, we make it unforgettable. One seller wrote, "Tom's professionalism, commitment, and attention to detail are the best we've ever experienced. He followed up constantly and got her home sold smoothly." Another said, "He went above and beyond to find the right buyer for our unique property and sold it for well over appraised value." These are real results from real people, and they reflect the experience we bring to every single listing. So when you hire me, you're not just getting a realtor. You're getting a strategist, a negotiator, and a team that breaks records. Your home deserves preparation that pays off, presentation that makes buyers fall in love, and pricing that creates urgency, and marketing that turns your property into the headline. Let's make your home the next record breaker. Your next step is simple. Set an in-person appointment with me today by clicking the link in the description, calling me direct, or scanning the QR code you see on the screen. During our appointment, I'll hand you your own hard copy playbook of our proven strategies, yours to keep. From it, I'll craft a customized plan to maximize the return on your most important investment. Let's get started.